Hey everyone, Alvin here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll write a simple Python program that creates a zip backup of any folder you choose, yes, just like that. Let's jump right in and type this code live together. Step 1. Import libraries. Import zipfile OS. We start by importing the built-in zipfile and OS modules. These will help us compress files and handle directory paths. Step 2. Define the backup function. Definite backup to zip folder. Folder is equal to os.path.appspath folder. This function will take the path of a folder and make a zipped backup of it. We convert the folder path to an absolute path to avoid any errors later. Step 3. Generate unique zip file name. Number is equal to 1. While true, zip file name is equal to os.path.basename folder plus underscore plus str number plus dot zip. If not os.path.exists, zip file name. Break. Number is equal to number plus 1. This loop ensures each backup gets a unique name like demo_1.zip, demo_2.zip, and so on. Step 4. Create zip file and add contents. Print creating zip file name. Backup zip is equal to zipfile.zipfile, zip file name w. We open a new zip file in write mode and get ready to fill it. Step 5. Walk through the folder and add files. For folder name, subfolders, file names in os.walk folder. Print adding files, folder name. Backup zip.write folder name. For file name in file names. If file name dot starts with os.path.basename folder plus underscore and file name dot ends with .zip. Continue. Backup zip.write os.path.join folder name file name. This part loops through the entire folder and subfolders, adding files to the zip except previously created zips to avoid infinite nesting. Step 6. Done. Backup zip.close. Print done. Finally, we close the zip file and confirm that the backup is complete. Before running the code, let's add last which makes function call. Backup to zip, home user myPythonWork new test zip. This will call the function and pass a sample folder. In my case, it's home user myPythonWork new test zip. Let's make some corrections like indentation issues. While running the program, it gives some errors. Our program file name must be different due to the zip file, which is already used in the code, and also bracket issue. Now hit Python run command in console, and boom. Our backup zip file is created in the current directory. That's it. You have just written a Python program that backs up your entire folder into a zip file. Great for automation, projects, and safe storage. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment with what project we should build next. See you in the next one.